I've decided to share my what sold videos a little more frequently, which means they're going to be a little bit shorter. I hope you like that. If you do, keep watching. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. Welcome to our channel. What do I have for you today? I have a what sold video for you today. And as I said, they're going to be a little bit shorter because I want to put them out more often. From what I can tell, from what YouTube tells me, you really like what sold videos. So that's what we're doing here. It's a shorter video, but still full of all kinds of things that we've sold on eBay. And before we get started, I want to talk about something. YouTube also tells me that you love Goodwill videos. I love Goodwill videos too. I love going to the Goodwill. But something you may not have thought about is, where do those items come from? Where do they come from? Where does Goodwill get their merchandise? Most of it anyway. How about households, which could mean garage sales? How about church rummage sales? You know, those kind of places. So what's my point? My point is this. Many YouTubers, including myself, have videos on garage sales, church sales, all kinds of places other than Goodwill. And yet Goodwill videos get the most views. And I just can't help but think, why is that? Why? I assume for many of you, Goodwill is about the only place you can shop because of your time, location, etc., etc. So the Goodwill in many respects is like a garage sale or church sale on steroids, right? It has tons of things to look at. And you can go there pretty much on your own schedule. And that's great. But I just want to say, when it comes to watching YouTube videos on where to source items for resale, I encourage you to take a second look at garage sale and church sale videos and restore videos, because I find a lot of cool things at the restore. So don't overlook those videos, because it isn't about where you buy it. It's really not. It's just about finding things, learning about things that have value and will sell for good profit on eBay. So I'm asking you to not overlook those other videos. And of course, I got to invite you to check out our playlist for church sales and garage sales and restore. All right, with all that said, let's get started. This first sale, well, we found these items at the restore. 3 of them, 3 brass candle holders, moon and stars. They didn't all match, but I put them together anyway. Paid $6 and they sold on offer for $20 plus shipping. This wood fruit is a garage sale find. I don't pick up a lot of fruit anymore. It did take quite a while for this to sell, just being honest with you. But I have a couple of dollars invested, maybe 3, and the 14-piece lot sold for $23 plus shipping. I can't remember where I found this cute little poodle, 2.5 inches high, but it sold for $14.95 plus shipping. It was a recent video where I mentioned about left-in, vintage left-in figurines and things that can sell well. This cute little Valentine girl, made in Japan. As you know, I pay $1 to $3 for most items, so I probably have $1 invested, and this cutie sold for $25 plus shipping. Yes, Christmas ornaments are still selling. This little Mrs. Claus in her rocking chair, it was on sale, 20% off, so she sold for $11.96 plus shipping. And this 2003 cobblestone church, a little village house, only it was a schoolhouse, also sold on sale for $11.96 plus shipping. Victorian Ornaments. Yes, I love to pick up Victorian ornaments, especially nice ones, well-made ones. And this 2-piece lot of vintage cameo ornaments, embellished with ribbon and tassels, sold for $15 plus shipping. This Pier 1 hand-painted teardrop ornament in a gift box came from the Goodwill. So yes, we do love shopping the Goodwill, especially when it's off-season from garage sales. I think we paid $2.99 for this ornament, and it sold for $24.97 plus shipping. Not too bad. And another stained glass ornament sold. Another, meaning I've told you about these type of ornaments, stained glass. Have about $1 into it, and it sold for $12.71 plus shipping. Who loves Anna Lee figures? These are very collectible. This 2008 Valentine's mouse. Yes, Valentine's items are selling now. If you have them, we don't have too many. This cutie sold for $17 plus shipping. Now this Goodwill find, I think you're going to be very surprised. Maybe you remember it. Paid $3.99 at the Goodwill for this green leprechaun bottle and glass. Yes, there's a glass at the top and the bottle below. As I said, paid $3.99. And it sold for full asking price of $49.97 plus shipping. This Goodwill find came through with a great profit sale. So as I said, I'm not against shopping Goodwill. I'm just for watching other types of videos too. Accessories, clothing, and shoes. Going to go through this quite fast. This Gabby Sky size medium body hugger dress, clinger dress, bodycon dress, sold for $19.75 plus shipping. This men's Rockin' Republic XXL button-down shirt in black and gray plaid sold for $15 plus shipping. That's it for clothes. One of my favorite sales every year is at the Netherland Inn. Love this outdoor sale. It's a historic building in Kingsport, and this is a fundraiser for them. You see the Netherlands Inn in my videos at least once a year. Found these glasses. We're up to $23 so far, and we're still shopping. And I just saw these beverage glasses, hazelware. Some Christmas glasses with the original box. New old stock. The box in horrible, horrible condition. But the glasses were new. We did have to take them out of the box to photograph them and make sure there were no chips or cracks. Everything was in great condition. Paid $3, and they sold for $20 plus shipping. This next item is a church rummage sale find. Vintage mid-century modern amber decanter and cordial glasses. Couldn't identify the brand. Nope, couldn't do it. I think we paid $3 for them, and they sold for $30 plus shipping. Not too bad. Another Restore find. Do you shop Restore? As I like to ask, if not, why not? Found some little wine glasses here with a green stem. Quick search showed me they are Luminarc. This 5-count lot of France. Luminarc Arca-Rock is the brand. With a green stem, this 5-count lot that we paid $5 for, $1 per glass, sold for $30 plus shipping. Was it hard to pack? Of course not. Have you watched my pack and ship videos? Another Goodwill find. Now this is the find of the day. Little saucers, cups. Love it. This vintage Anchor Hocking bubble glass. Really pretty. I separated everything into lots. And this 2-count lot of dinner plates. The buyer bought 3 lots of the dinner plates. And I give a discount for each additional lot. But the total sale came to $38.91 plus shipping. And plates are very easy to pack. They are. I have pack and ship videos on that too. This little teapot was a garage sale find. Still checking out the neighborhood. A lot of homes aren't open, but the ones that are, we found a few things. It's a vintage 6-cup Corningware in the wildflower pattern. I paid $1 and it sold on offer for $18 plus shipping. Another Goodwill find, just a small one, didn't sell for a lot, but this Pioneer Woman mini casserole dish with lid sold on offer for $10 plus shipping. In the future, I would only buy these and list them if I have at least 2 in the lot, preferably 4, but at least 2 to make it worth our while. Another Goodwill find, paid $8.99 for all of these dishes. What are they? We were about to leave the store when I saw these dishes with this apple print. These are Franciscan. They have a set of 28 pieces for $8.99. We won't know till we get them home if they're scratched up or not. So we're going to pick these up, and I'll show you why. They're vintage, made in California, Franciscan earthenware dinnerware. And this, of course, is the apple pattern. It's a rimmed bowl. These are 8.5-inch soup or salad bowls. The 4 bowls, when you break everything out, came to about $2, and the lot of 4 sold for $30 plus shipping. Not too bad. And I still have more to go. This 3-count lot of Hall oval au gratin baking dishes came from the Goodwill. I think I paid $2.99 for the lot of 3, and they sold for $20 plus shipping. And I just put this little rolling pin in here just to show you that even little things can sell for a decent price, and this one was easy to pack. A vintage 8-inch wood rolling pin with a red handle sold on offer for $11.96 plus shipping. Another Restore find. Hey, we're getting ready to walk out, and I saw these. You know what these are? You recognize this? A set of vintage USA Pyrex salt and pepper shakers in clear and brown. Paid $2 for the set at the Restore, and it sold for $15 plus shipping. Mark found these fancy salad plates at the Restore. I'm sorry I didn't get them on video when we found them. I have to do better at that. but it's a 3-count lot of Muirfield, if I'm saying that correctly, Muirfield Magnificence plates featuring a gold rim, yes, gold, and egg shapes. Paid $2 each, so $6 invested. What did they sell for? They sold on offer for $30 plus shipping. And again, plates are very easy to pack. As I said, I'm going to keep my videos short and sweet. Makes a shorter video for you when you don't have a lot of time to watch, and it makes a faster video for me to make. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you're new to our channel, we invite you to subscribe and check out our playlist for all our other videos. Lots of videos out there. I think over 240 now. I've lost track. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and we'll see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.